can do is I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fun little stamp out of styrofoam-ish stuff. Doesn't really matter what you have. You could probably do it with like cardboard. We're gonna do it with styrofoam though, and we're gonna put the cardboard on top of that, then put this, turn it into a handle and put it there. So then we can just like stamp things, sort of. Yeah. So the way we're gonna take out the stuff we don't want to make our design, instead of using a razor blade, you can use that. We're not going to use that for this though. Instead, we are going to use a hot glue gun, and try not to put a lot of glue on your styrofoam, or else it might damage it or something. Like, might burn too far through. Also, remember this is plastic, so try to stay in an open area, with garage door open, something like that. So I'm just gonna try to like burn my initials into this plastic, styrofoam-ish stuff. Yeah, so as you can see, this hot glue gun is probably getting much better results than the razor blade would have gotten. So we're just gonna try to carve out that nice B. And then, yeah. Oh gosh. I do not know if this is gonna work. Looks like we're onto something. Nice. Nice. Try to get out any of the excess foam-ish stuff in there. Try to get it all out. I wonder if we should just keep it B. Yeah, I think for this, instead of doing our whole initials, I'm just gonna put in this B, right here. And now, the good thing is that we've got this hot glue gun, and it's nice and handy, and you don't have to swap tools. And we are just going to cut out all of the foam that we don't need. So let's cut to about here. Nice. So we're gonna cut like kind of right next to the B. Yeah. Okay. Looks like we've got that, and we can get this bottom side now. And this side. Here.
You want that there, don't you? Because you're making a stamp, so you want it to be dark on the outside. No?
I don't know. I'm gonna take this one little triangle bit out. You can probably do whatever you like. So, yeah, I guess. Now we're just gonna put this on this cardboard. And we're just gonna cut out a nice little piece of the cardboard. Like this. Let's cut that. We can put our scissors and other foam stuff off to the side for now. And keep our razor blade. And then this other side here, we're just gonna cut there. Nice. Looks like we didn't go all the way through, but now I've got a nice rough draft, so we can try to cut that. Okay, so this looks good. We can put this other cardboard stuff also off to the side over with our spare foam right there. And so we're just gonna want to put this right on here. So I'm gonna put a bit of glue right here. Also, you could probably use like Elmer's glue, tape maybe. You can use a lot of things for this. Okay. Looks good. Yeah. Oh gosh, I don't know if this is gonna work very well. Let's just see if it works. and hope it works. Yeah. Let's cut right here and put this foam also off to the side. And we are gonna put this right here. So then it's like a little stampy whatever thingy. Okay, so a nice bit of glue right here. And put this right here. Nice. Now again, you can use Elmer's glue and tape for this if you like. Let's just let this dry, kind of. Nice. Okay. I do not know if this is gonna fit or not, but let's see. Okay. This is looking good. I'm gonna stamp this onto a piece of paper. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. Moment of truth.
Just do in the middle. People can see.
Hey! Apparently this does work. Oh gosh, there's a bit of glue. This is actually kind of cool. We just like tap that right there and ha! That's actually pretty cool. So this is a fun little stamp you can make. You can put anything on here. You could probably put like a 6 on there if you wanted. Or like whatever you want to stamp on your pieces of paper. Yeah, so let's put this stamp off with our pegboard right here. And we can put these papers back off to the side. And put this in here. And organize our area. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be testing planes. You can see I just used this paper to do the stamp. We're going to be making planes from Fold and Fly and seeing which one goes farther. It's probably not a good idea to do it outside, but I think we're just going to have to because we don't have access to a gym or auditorium. Yeah, so see you guys there. Bye-bye. Nice. I actually really love this stamp. This is
It's a
really
really cool stamp.
Yeah, I like it. Like it actually like works. Like you wouldn't think things like this would actually work, but they do. Ready to build some airplanes?